We're hooking up a DS-20 on a 299 cat. This one is not high flow, but we made it cut pretty good. These ones, what we do is I run in some extra wiring into the back of the 14 pin. And we run it up through the boom, down and out around there, around down through here, and then back in down into the cab right here. And then we run a wire to each side of the joysticks over there, and then one from the battery over. So it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. On these ones, we have to add 4 buttons to them because they come stock with 4 12-volt functions, and we need 8. So